In this video, we're given a problem with a missing number and we have to determine what that value is. So we're looking at a positive 4 multiplied by something, multiplied by a negative 3, equals a negative 48. I'm going to rewrite this. And the way I'm going to rewrite it is I'm going to put the two numbers that I know next to each other. Remember, when we're doing multiplication, it doesn't matter what order we multiply in, we should still obtain the same product. So now I've got positive 4 times negative 3 times something is a negative 48. So if I multiply a positive 4 and a negative 3, that'll give me a negative 12. So negative 12 multiplied by something is a negative 48. So if I wanted to find out what my missing number would be here, what I'm looking at then is looking at what is the inverse operation for multiplication. Well, that would be division. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this side by a negative 12, and I'm going to divide this side by a negative 12 as well. And if I do that, I'll get that my question mark here is equal to a negative 48 divided by a negative 12, which should give me an answer of positive 4. So that would be C. Now just to verify my answer here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the question mark and replace it with the positive 4 and see what I get. So I've got positive 4 times positive 4 times negative 3. 4 times 4, that's going to give me 16, so positive 16 multiplied by a negative 3, which gives me an answer of negative 48. So that's verified right there.